Xero's finally deprecating old invoicing and replacing it with new invoicing in September later this year. Here's what you need to know about it. Xero's released a new Help Center article that details everything that you need to know about what is going to be brought over from old invoicing to new to bring it to parity, and the new features that are going to be released over time as well. What I'm most excited about, though, is the ability to accept partial payments on invoices, such as deposits, but this is only going to be exclusive to new invoicing. If you want to explore further new features, Xero has a nice breakdown of what's already been released with the new invoicing. And I know that some of these releases can be confusing, so Xero has put together a nice table that'll detail everything that you need to know about classic invoicing or old invoicing, as well as new invoicing. And you'll notice here that some of these check marks have asterisks on them. So these are either planned or future releases coming to new invoicing. If you're curious about why all this is happening, I'll go ahead and link Xero's article below. It talks about how they have been updating their backend systems from old technology to new that enable them to release even more innovative product features for you. And if you invoice in Xero at all, make sure to bookmark this page because this page will be updated with any new releases that are going to be coming out to new invoicing.